Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on an Audi Q5. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have approximately 5 quarts of the manufacturer-recommended synthetic motor oil. Don't forget a fresh oil filter and a new drain plug washer, which are crucial for a leak-free seal. Safety first, always work on a level surface and use jack stands. Once your engine is slightly warm, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Locate the drain plug, usually a 19mm or 17mm bolt, and carefully loosen it with your wrench. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time for all the old oil to drain thoroughly, ensuring you get as much of the contaminants out as possible. This step is vital for engine longevity. Now, locate and remove the old oil filter, which might require a specific filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket for a better seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Finally, carefully pour in the new engine oil, adding about 4.5 to 5 quarts, and check the dipstick often. After refilling, reinstall the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 22 foot-pounds. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and recheck the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed. For other great deals and to find out more about those amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.